Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted bookmark on Chrome. As you can see on my Chrome profile, these are the bookmark I have. Now what should I do if I delete any of these? Okay, let's delete one of them. Now to get back the file, I have to start the run command, press Windows and R at the same time. Here you have to input percentage local app data %, press OK. Then we'll go to this menu, click on the Google file, click on the Chrome file and this file. As I want to recover the bookmark from the second profile of, then I have to click on this profile. If you have only one profile, you will directly go to this folder and go down. Here you can see these two files, bookmarks and bookmarks.back. Just for backup, copy paste this file to a different folder. Okay, now let's go back to this. Here you just need to rename the files. First select the bookmarks and rename it to the bookmarks.old. Now you have to rename the bookmarks.back. Rename these to only bookmarks. Just remove the .bak. Here you have to confirm the changes. Press yes. Okay. Here you can see we don't see that. Close the Chrome and reopen it. Here you can see I have got back the bookmarks that I have deleted. By this process you can also restore the bookmarks you have deleted. Or hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.